Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Max from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off at the top and let's draw the hat. We'll start with a curve going out to the left and then bring it up on the right. And then for the end, we're going to curve it back in underneath. Now let's hop back up to the starting position and let's draw a curve down and over. And then another one under this line. Now to close off the top of the hat, let's draw a larger curve up and back down. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move down and let's start drawing the shape of the head. Underneath on the right side, we're going to draw a curve down. Then let's hop back over on the top left and let's draw an S-shaped curve up and bring it down on the left. Now let's start drawing the teeth. Let's draw a curve in, and then 2 zigzag points over. And then one more curve over and down. Now underneath on the left, let's draw another curve down and bring it in for the underside of the mouth. And then let's add a small curve down underneath and another curve down on the right here. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move up and let's draw a circle for the eye. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's add the vest. Under the left side, let's draw an angled curve down. And then from both ends, let's draw a curve going down like this. And then close off the bottom. Now let's move over to the right side and let's draw an angle down and in. And then bring it down on the end. Now for the right side, we'll start with a curve for the armhole. Then let's angle it down and a curve at the bottom. And that's it for the vest. Now underneath the right side, let's draw the first leg. Let's step in from the end and let's draw a curve out and bring it back in like this. Now on the left side, let's draw an S-shaped curve down, making it a little bit shorter. And then curve it down to the left underneath. Now on the right side, let's draw the foot by drawing a curve out and then close off the bottom. And that's it for the first leg. Now let's add the belly. Let's start underneath the left side of the vest and we're going to draw a large curve down and over. And now underneath on the left, let's draw the other leg. Let's start with a curve going down, and then another one next to it on the right. Then again for the outside, we're going to angle it down for the foot, and then close off the bottom. And that's it for the legs. Now let's hop back up and add the arms. We'll start next to the vest on the left, and we're going to draw a bent line down and back in. And then underneath, a bump for the hand. Now let's hop over and draw the right side. From the top of the vest, let's angle it down and out. And then a smaller angle underneath. And then curve it back in at the end. Now from the outside line, we're going to draw an S-shaped curve down like this. Now to draw the first finger, we're going to hop up and let's draw a curve out and then bring it back in. And then one more curve to close off the hand. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and let's draw the tail. Next to the right leg here, let's continue the body line by curving it up. And then let's draw a zigzag line over for the top of the tail. And then one more curve inside at the bottom. And that's it for Max. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!